So this is my old speed cube. I haven't used it for like 10 months. It may look fine on the outside, but on the inside it's quite dirty. So in this video I'm going to tell you my way of cleaning the cube. So for the first step, you need to take the cube apart. So take one layer, turn it 45 degrees and put your thumb under it. Then gently twist and pull it out. Then you can pull all the other pieces out as well. For the next step, we need to clean each pieces of the cube. So basically you need to take your wet wipes and then rub around the sides and the legs of the each pieces. For the next step, we need to assemble the cube. So start by doing the cross on the white side. You will get you to your two edges and then one corner piece, so it will stay together. And then for the next layer, and lastly for the last layer. And for the last piece, I recommend you to be the last piece, let it be the edge piece. So you turn the cube by 45 degrees and you pull it apart and place it back. It's like how you disassemble it in the first step. So after cleaning the cube, we need to set up the cube. The first thing we need to do is to be sure that the cube is not too tight or too loose. If the cube is too tight, when you turn, it might be a bit hard or somewhat troublesome. But if the cube is too fast, then some pieces might fly off when you actually solve the cube. So to change the tension of a spring, you need to pop up the middle cap. As you can see, this one, it uses a nut and bolt type, but for some traditional speed cube, it will use a spring, which you can screw it counterclockwise to loosen it up. Now the last step is optional. You can get yourself a Rubik's Cube lubrication. You can buy it off online shops. To use it, you add around 2 to 3 drops on one of the holes. And then you break it in by turning the cube. Be sure to turn it all around the side so it will get through all in the grooves.